Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And I've got a feeling of what's inside. I know. Let's go. Okay, so we have here another consolidated package from Buy and Ship. And this one was definitely delayed, not just because of the holidays, but because it went through a different shipping service. Okay, so from my experience, when I consolidate from Buy and Ship, usually they do with UPS or LBC. Okay, but this one was under Janyo. Okay, so I'm not so familiar with Janyo, but yeah, so because of that, there was a bit of a delay because I think it came from it went to Singapore first before it went to the Philippines. Okay, so anyway, nothing to worry because as long as it arrives safely, then we're good and we're happy with what's inside this particular box. Okay, and starting off with some Deadpool. Okay, we have the Deadpool and Friends High Five figure. Okay, so we already have this. This will be for pricing in our tournament here locally. And I see here Beholder. Heroclix Iconics Eye of the Beholder Dungeons and Dragons. Okay, let me just do a quick look. I'm excited to see. Oh, it's a big piece and a couple of equipments. Okay, so we're gonna have probably a separate unboxing for this unless this gets sold immediately. Okay, and you can see here, this is a promo from WizKids for purchasing those two items. So, Surfing Gingerbread Man, you already have that. And as you can see here, we have 4 boosters. Okay, so these are our usual brick breaks of Oxit. Okay, I say the usual brick break, but in one of the boosters there is a surprise because you can see here we pulled the bounty figure, and at the same time we pulled something epic. Okay, wink wink if you already know. So let's take a look at the box. Don't be too excited. It's my first time getting that kind of booster, if you know what I mean. Okay, but let's take a look at some of the items one at a time. Okay, we'll put it on the side, and we have here, zooming it in. Okay, so our boosters here, we have a booster from 12-13, and you can see that is the bounty. Okay, and then we also have a booster from another 12-13 and another bounty. Yeah, so we pulled two bounty boosters 2 straight weeks, December 6 and December 13. Okay, so we'll probably do December 6 last, okay, because the bounty there is amazing. So we're gonna do first December 13. Okay, so December 13, these are our pools. Okay, so the first booster we had Wakanda Scientist, Miles, Achille, the cards, our favorite rare Vanisher, and Black Panther. It's not a good booster. So we have a Vanisher here with a Vibranium token. Okay, not good. I'm not gonna lie. But the second one, which is the star, indicating bounty, should be good. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be what you call this? This is M'Baku, Ares, Misty Knight. There you go, Super Rare Zola and Hatut Zaraz. Okay, Zaraz. Okay. Okay, so not only was there a bounty figure in Armin Zola, but there's also Ares and another rare. So take a look at this booster. 2 rares, 1 SR packed in one booster. Okay, so the collation can be very surprising for this particular set. Okay, let's go to the boosters for December 6. Okay, first booster, we got our favorite Vanisher. I hope he vanishes. Oh, and another Armin Zola. It's a unique figure, so we're not gonna. We have to trade or sell that. Wakanda Scientist and Achille and Claw. Okay. Interesting. So double checking that all the cards are here. Arnim Zola, I think it's good because of monster keyword becomes ruler. That's for 1, or scientist. Okay, and for 75 points with prob, poison, mind control, not so bad with a stop click, and of course that generating a mutate bystander. And finally, the highlight of this particular 2-week pulls is the bounty booster, and the bounty booster contains the bounty snowbird. Okay, but more than snowbird, it contains a chase, and not just one chase, we got 2 chases because this is a god pack. Okay, so first time we pull the god pack and care of Oxit, so thank you very much for that experience. I was so happy because I was watching live at that time, so I didn't know it can happen to me, and it did. So although we had the God pack, the God Squad pack of Chaos King, okay, Atum, Hercules, Miles Morales, and Snowbird. So let's take a look. We have all the, and Venus, of course, legacy card is included. Okay, God Squad themed. Okay, so yeah. So because of that lucky pull, we have our bounty items, and let's take a look at all our bounty items as well. We have this. We have Hulk. Okay, this is sealed. Is this sealed? Let me check. No, it's not. Okay, so this is a She-Hulk. Okay, so this is She-Hulk. Okay, put it back. We have She-Hulk. We have Monel. Okay, possible legacy, perhaps. We have Nimrod the Greater. We already have that. Oops. We have Moleman. Okay. We have Mr. Terrific. And we have Famine. Okay, so we already have him, but nice to have some of them. Okay, and then we have also a bunch of loose cards here with the figures. Okay, let's take a look quickly. Ooh, we have X-23, Terror. Let's check Terror, the Hood. Oh, a Legacy Josiah X from Black Panther set. Okay, I think this is going to Sandy. Medusa. Okay, from Fantastic Four. Human Torch. Scarlet Witch Legacy, I already have this. And Crystal of the Inhumans. Okay, let's see if the figures are here. The Hood is here. Medusa here. Terror. Okay. Here. Crystal. Okay, all good. And then plus we have some more figures packed here. Ooh, we have a mindless one. Oh, I don't have this yet. I need that for my collection. Let's see. We have Invisible Boy. We have Rogue. We have Maximus. A Legacy card Moleman. So let's organize. We have a Skrull General. Okay. X51 from Earth X. Herald. Firelord. We have Redshift. X23 again. Iron Man from... what set is this? I don't know. Wizard. A Legacy card Wonder Woman. Scourge Prime from Mighty Thor. Okay. We have Mandarin. Faust. And we have Dormammu. Dormammu that generates a mindless one. Let me see. Let me just confirm. No. Okay, so we have Dormammu LE and a mindless one token. The mindless one is definitely going to be part of our collection. Okay, so let's check if they are all here. We have the super rare Rogue. Invisible Boy, rather. Okay. We have the Skrull General. Where is it? There you go. We have X21. X51. Who's X51? There's no real name. A real name is a code. Okay. We have your Mandarin. Faust. Dormammu. We have Maximus, Scourge, and Iron Man. So everything is in order. Okay. And finally, we have our 3 legacy cards from the Black Panther set. Okay, so let's see what we got. We hope to pull a set or a Throne Black Panther, of course. And the first one is Ajax. Okay, Ajax is good. I think he has potential. Now let's see. We also have oh, we have Throne Panther. Okay, good job. And then we have another Throne Panther. Woo! Epic. Okay, so that's it for our Behold the God Squad booster. So what do you guys think? I'm super happy for this pulls. Until the next time, bye bye.